Welcome back again. My name is Mike Bolger with Chestnut Park West Realty. I have a prestigious 2-floor condo at 3 Father David Bauer Drive. This place has 2 floors, 2 bedrooms, and updated to the modern touches that you deserve. Once again, thank you so very much for joining me on this amazing tour. Once again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to click or call anytime at mikebolger.ca or direct at 519-616-2656. There's a couple things I want to do uptown. I'm going to go jot on over there. Thanks for joining me once again. See you later.